So just to have a check before using these NCR18650GA. And I forgot the brand. I cannot remember the brand. I put the brand with the text right here. And it should be the genuine one. It has a laser QR code in each cell. And I don't know. Let's check it. So the voltage is much better. Let's say 3.5 for the first one, 3.5 for the second one, and how could I make it easier for you to see, huh? 3.5 for for the third one, and then 3.5 for the fourth one, 5.2 something. Okay, now let's check the resistance. So I have tested by charging them in series 4S 1P, and the internal resistance are like this: 51, 47, 49, 48. I was testing by charging at 0.3 amp. Hopefully that it is a legit testing. So that's the internal resistance of this NCR18650 cell, GA 18650GA.